I'm here today with our Refinish technician, Seneca, and he has a Nissan Sentra in the booth. You can see that he has the door removed, and he's going to be spraying some clear coat on the door in a little bit. And the reason why we put clear coat on a vehicle is it protects the paint, definitely protects it from the UV light, protects the paint from fading. So besides the nice shiny coat, there is definitely a purpose to it. So you're probably wondering, why do we take the door off the vehicle? The proper way to paint a door or a bumper is to remove it from the vehicle. That way you eliminate getting edges. If you keep it on the vehicle, then you're more likely to get paint edges. It's more likely to peel. So the industry standard is to take it off the vehicle and paint it this way. So it does take extra time and labor to remove the door and then obviously put it back on. Therefore, it will be more expensive. So if you go to certain body shops, you can get work done definitely cheaper. It may not be the right way, which means that you could end up with a problem later. So if you're planning on hanging onto your vehicle, you definitely want to have your car or truck refinished using proper repair procedures. So here you can see he's spraying the clear coat on it. And after this, the clear will be baked on, and then it will be brought to a repair technician to reassemble the vehicle.